Okay, so welcome back. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to display the module and the module path. So in our previous video, we have discussed about the ME32 or the module entry 32 structure. And I have described that entry structure contains a list of modules belonging to a specific process. So in this case, we will be displaying the module and the module path. Okay? So just like the PE32 structure, we only just use the dot. Okay, so to get the module, we just do me32.sz module, and that will display the module. So next, we do the path. So we just do me32.shexe path, and that will display the path of the current module. Okay, so let's try. Let's save. Project console build all. We see no errors. Let's open up a terminal and let's do test.exe. And as you can see, we have here the test.exe module, which has a path of C users Lester desktop test.exe, in which we can confirm that test.exe is on my desktop. Okay, so that is how you display the module and the module path using MASM32, and I hope to see you again next time.